Welcome to the introduction of the Rust programming language. Rust is a systems programming language that runs blazingly fast, prevents segfaults, and guarantees thread safety. In this video, we will explore what makes Rust unique, and why you might want to learn it. What is Rust? Rust is a modern programming language designed for performance, safety, and concurrency. It was created by Mozilla, the maker of the Firefox web browser, and it's been gaining popularity among developers for its unique features. Why Rust? There are many reasons why you might want to learn Rust. Firstly, Rust offers a high level of safety and security. It eliminates common programming errors such as null pointer dereferences and buffer overflows, which can cause crashes or security vulnerabilities in other languages. Rust achieves this through its ownership and borrowing system, which we will explore in this video. Performance. Secondly, Rust is known for its performance. It's often used for systems programming, such as building operating systems, web browsers, and game engines because it's fast and efficient. Rust achieves this through its zero-cost abstractions, which allow you to write high-level code without sacrificing performance. Concurrency. Thirdly, Rust is designed for concurrency. It provides tools for safe and efficient parallel programming, such as its lightweight threads called tasks, and its message passing system called channels. This makes it easy to write efficient and scalable concurrent programs. Community. Finally, Rust has a growing and vibrant community. There are many resources available for learning Rust, including documentation, tutorials, and online forums. The Rust community is known for being welcoming and helpful, so you'll be able to find support and guidance as you learn. Conclusion. In summary, Rust is a modern programming language that offers safety, performance, concurrency, and a supportive community. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, Rust is a language that's worth learning. So, stick around and join us as we explore the Rust programming language. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos on Rust programming.